Hey, what if your weekend could speak English? What stories would it tell?
Maybe it'd say, I slept like a baby, or I watched Netflix all day.
Today, we're going to turn your weekend feelings into English words. Let's make your weekend talk.
Hey everyone, welcome back to another cozy episode of Everyday English Talks. I'm Aisha, and beside me is Sabi.
Hey guys, how's it going? We're so happy you're here. Today we're talking about how to describe your weekend in English. You know, the simple way real people say it.
Exactly. No big grammar, no textbook vibes, just fun, friendly English you can actually use when someone asks, "So, how was your weekend?"
So, Aisha, let's start with a lazy Saturday morning kind of vibe. Imagine you wake up around 10, sun in your room, no alarm. What's the first thing you do?
Hmm. Honestly, I stay in bed and scroll my phone for like 30 minutes. Then I stretch and say, I need coffee.
Classic weekend line. I need coffee. Say it with us, guys. I need coffee. Go ahead, repeat after me.
Good job. See, you're already talking like a native.
So let me paint the picture. It's Saturday. No work, no meetings. I wake up and I just sit there for a minute. You know that feeling when you realize, wait, I don't have to rush today.
That's the best feeling. You just breathe, maybe open the window, hear the birds, and you say, it's a beautiful day.
Exactly. Okay, guys, let's practice that line. It's a beautiful day. Ready? Repeat after me. It's a beautiful day.
Nice. So after that, Sabi, what do you usually do? Breakfast first or coffee first?
Always coffee first. I make a big mug, black, no sugar. Then I toast some bread and put peanut butter on it. And I sit by the window scrolling through photos from the week.
That sounds peaceful. You could say, I had a slow morning. Listeners, try it. I had a slow morning.
Good one! And sometimes I even say, I took it easy today. It means I didn't do much, just relaxed.
So let's practice both. Repeat after me. I had a slow morning. I took it easy today.
Sweet! That's how you sound like you're actually living the weekend.
You know what I love about weekends? Cooking breakfast slowly. Like, you actually have time to make pancakes instead of just grabbing a granola bar.
Yeah. During the week, it's go, 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 but on Saturday, it's flip the pancake slowly.
Exactly. So if you want to say that in English, you can say, I made breakfast for myself. Or, I cooked something nice this morning.
Let's do a quick practice. Repeat after me. I made breakfast for myself. I cooked something nice this morning.
Perfect. Now, Sabi, what did you make last Saturday?
Eggs and toast, of course, and a little fruit salad. I even put some music on. Maybe John Mayer or Coldplay. That's my weekend vibe.
Nice choice. I usually play something chill too. Maybe Taylor Swift's Daylight, soft and happy. You know, guys, you could even say, I listened to music while having breakfast.
Or, I listened to some songs and relaxed. Let's try that. Repeat after me.
All right, listeners, your turn to speak. Tell us, what's your favorite thing to eat on a lazy Saturday morning?
Think about it for a second. Now say out loud, on weekends, I like to eat, and finish the sentence.
Don't worry if you're alone, just say it to your phone or mirror. Practice makes progress.
And if you want to sound more natural, you can say, I usually have, like I usually have pancakes, or I usually have tea.
Exactly. It's so simple, but it makes you sound fluent. Repeat with us. I usually have.
So after breakfast, I usually just chill. You know, I might watch something or just lie on the couch scrolling on my phone.
The real weekend mood. I totally get that. Sometimes I tell people I spent the afternoon watching TV.
Or I watched a movie on Netflix. Simple and natural. Let's try that. Repeat after me. I watched a movie on Netflix.
Nice. You can also say, I stayed home and relaxed. That one's super useful. We say it all the time in the US.
Yeah, because honestly, sometimes that's the best kind of weekend. No plans, no people, just you, snacks, and your comfy blanket.
Exactly. Hey, what do you usually watch?
Mostly comedies. I love when I can just laugh and forget the week. Last weekend, I watched The Office again.
Again? You really love that show.
Yeah, it never gets old. You know, guys, that's another phrase you can use. It never gets old. It means something is always fun, no matter how many times you do it.
Okay, let's repeat it. It never gets old. Perfect.
All right, quick quiz time. We're going to test how much you remember.
Okay, question 1. If you stayed home and didn't do much, what can you say? A, I took it easy. B, I ran a marathon.
Hopefully not B. The answer is A. I took it easy.
Nice job if you got it right. Okay, question 2. You made eggs and toast for breakfast. What can you say? A, I cooked something nice this morning. B, I went skydiving.
Definitely A. See how easy this is?
All right, one last question. You watch The Office again because it's always funny. What phrase can you use?
What was it, guys? Right. It never gets old. Good job. You're doing awesome.
So after I relax for a while, I like to clean up a bit. Nothing crazy, just small things, like folding laundry or organizing my desk.
Oh, yeah, I do that too. I put on some music, light a candle, and just clean slowly. It actually feels nice, right?
Totally. It's like your mind feels clear when your space is clean. In English, you could say, I tidied up my room.
Or, I did some cleaning. Let's practice. Repeat after me. I tidied up my room. I did some cleaning.
Awesome. Then maybe you take a shower, change into comfy clothes. That's another great phrase. I changed into comfy clothes.
That's when you know you're not going anywhere.
Exactly. You can also say, I stayed in all day.
Perfect.
Okay, so the sun's going down. You've had your lazy day. What next?
I like to sit with some tea, open my journal, and just write a little about my week. Something like, I'm grateful for today.
That's really nice. Gratitude. That's such a beautiful weekend habit. You could say, I spent my evening writing and relaxing.
Or, I ended my day feeling calm. Let's practice both. I spent my evening writing and relaxing. I ended my day feeling calm.
You know what? That line, I ended my day feeling calm, sounds simple, but it's exactly how many native speakers talk about peaceful weekends.
Totally. So remember, your English doesn't need to be fancy, just honest, like your day.
All right, guys, let's do a quick role play. Imagine you're talking to a friend on Monday.
Hey, how was your weekend?
It was really nice. I stayed home, made breakfast, watched a movie, and just relaxed.
That's awesome. Sounds like you had a slow weekend.
Yeah, I needed it. I took it easy.
Great! Now, listeners, your turn. Repeat after Aisha's line. It was really nice. I stayed home, made breakfast, watched a movie, and just relaxed.
That's a lot of good vocabulary, right? Stayed home, made breakfast, watched a movie, relaxed. You can use those words anywhere.
Exactly.
So today, we learned some real-life weekend phrases. Let's repeat a few together.
It took it easy. I had a slow morning. I watched a movie. I stayed in all day.
Perfect. These are everyday phrases Americans use all the time. And now you can too.
Remember, English is not about big words. It's about real life, the small sentences that describe your world.
Exactly. So next time someone asks, how was your weekend? You'll know exactly what to say.
So that was our cozy, relaxed weekend story. Simple, peaceful, and full of easy English.
And we're just getting started. In the next part, we'll talk about a fun weekend, going out, meeting friends, and using English for social plans.
It's going to be awesome. If you enjoyed today's practice, don't forget to follow or subscribe, and keep learning with us.
Because every word you learn builds your story. See you in part 2.